All right, we're going to do a quick setup of the Wi-Fi HD Car Dash cam with 170 degree wide angle video recorder. This is what the box looks like. We'll open it up. Yes, I did open this up before, put it back together. You have a long cord here with the USB end, and then this attachment is for the camera itself, because the camera comes with this cord, adhesive, and just plug it in and I'll set it up. So we skipped to the good part a little bit. Didn't want to see me struggling to remove this, but this is covering the adhesive. So I'll just finish peeling it now. In the picture you can see the red. That's what that is. And location is everything. So as you can see, whoops, almost dropped it. You want to hold it firmly on this side. Take off the lens cover so the image is as clear as possible. And then I don't like seeing it, so if I'm going to be driving over here, I want the device, actually, because of my sun pass, I want it right here. So we'll see how that goes. It's just a little bit in my field of vision, but not a big deal. Alright, so this is the not so fun part of setting up a dash cam, is reading the instructions. So that's what I just spent most of the time doing. I got my camera in my right hand, instructions on this side. The phone is connected through the app. This tells you how to set up the app. It wasn't hard, but it also wasn't easy. You have to just follow the instructions, connect to the right Wi-Fi, enter the password they tell you, and you're all set. So the error message on my phone is because I did not find the memory card until now. So I have a memory card. I'm going to put that in. I sell them on the website. So it's going to be the smaller of these two, and I'll check back in. All right, so I got the, I guess they call it a TF card, SD card, the micro one. It goes on the side right there. I have this off the base, so you have the adhesive plus the mount, so you just put the two pieces on and then slide it over so it's secure. And I'm going to want to adjust that. Nice, so now I got, oh, I can go up. Not that I want up, but just so that way you can see. Let's do right there, so it's just above the hood of the car. And you can hear how the audio quality is. You see how the video quality is. We'll get some action shots here in just a minute from the dash cam, so shutting off this. Alright, so I just want to talk at a relatively normal tone, and this is the audio test of the dash cam, where you can see me getting on the interstate, and we're gonna head towards downtown Orlando, and hopefully the sun sets, so that way we can see what it's like after sunset as well.